Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. It's Zima again, and in today's video I'm going to be making a super hair growth serum that you can apply on your hair and scalp every day for massive hair growth. Please make sure to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. So I'll be using fresh moringa leaves for this serum. I'll go ahead and pluck them and discard the stem. If you want to know the benefits of moringa on your hair, both relaxed and natural, please check out my other moringa videos. Links for the videos will be in the description box below or on the screen. For those of you that are interested in the measurements, please, I'm going to be using a handful of the fresh moringa leaves. I will be using palm kernel oil. Please feel free to use coconut oil or olive oil if you don't have palm kernel oil. I will measure out 250 ml worth of the palm kernel oil into my blender. Next, I transferred my moringa leaves into the blender and I will be blending off camera, please. Please note that I'm not using water for the blending process. My water is actually the oil. So guys, this is what I have after blending. Please, you have to make sure that the blades of your blender are sharp enough to do the job. You want to make sure that you get all the benefits of the moringa. So I transferred that to a clear bowl just for you to see. Next, place a pot on fire and pour water into it, allow to boil, and then place the bowl in it, the bowl containing the moringa mixture in it. As always, please ensure you stand by this oil and stir continuously until you notice that the moringa paste changes color. Once the color changes to pale or something close to that, turn off the heat and allow the oil to cool down completely. Once that is cool, proceed to sieve your oil. So for the sieving process, I'll be using 3 items: my bowl, a sieve, and a wick cap. I'm doing this as not to get the particles stuck in the oil even after sieving. Look how rich this oil is, guys. Don't you just love this? Guys, this oil is super rich and very effective. Just use it to massage your scalp daily for 1 month and you'll be amazed at the 1 month mark. This oil is super rich. So next, I'll be adding in 1% of my favorite preservatives to the oil so that the oil can last long, because I'm sending it out to a friend. So the brand name is Optifine. I'll go ahead and write that on the screen so that you guys can see that in case you want to get that. So after adding in the preservatives, I went ahead and stirred that to give that a good mix. Next, I will transfer the oil to this container with the help of a funnel. Ensure that your container for storage has a tight lid. So guys, our oil is ready and you can use this serum to massage your scalp every day for massive hair growth. You can use it as a pre-poo and all that good stuff done on wash days. Let me know in the comment section what you would be using this oil for if you have it. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next one by God's grace. Bye loves.